everyone, my name is Mihaela Danci and welcome to my course, Programming with R. I'm a data analyst and let me tell you something about me. I'm really passionate about finding patterns and working with visual data. Data analysis is an incredible skill in today's market, and in this course, we are going to explore the most important concepts that you will require when first starting to work with R. Some of the major topics that we will cover include discovering the syntax by working with RStudio. Then we'll dive into data types and we will work with different data structures like vectors or data frames. Next, using control flow statements, we will control the execution flow of our program. And finally, we'll create our first function. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation to get started performing data analysis. This course is a quick introduction to R programming, so no prior experience with R is required. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into R with courses on graphics, exploratory data analysis, and data science. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn R with the Programming with R course at Pluralsight.